What's up, my honeybees? So I am back with a new library vlog, and in this video I am sharing my English study routine, some really useful writing and listening practice tips, and all the prompts that I'm using in this video. And trust me, there are some fun moments and a really funny part at the end that you don't want to miss. So make sure you watch till the end, and let's see what happened in this video. Hi there, my name is Priya and I'm from BIHAR and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am back with a study vlog because you guys love watching my vlogs, like library vlogs. So I'm here with the another video. So yeah, I'm going to eat breakfast. I've already eaten, but I'm eating one more chapati because भूख लग जाती है भाई. भिंडी की सब्जी. My breakfast was literally too good. So clock it, girl. And now it's time to do some dishes. And don't think that I do so much work or so many household chores at home. No, I really don't. I just sweep the floor once, wash the utensils once, and that's basically it. Sometimes I also make sabji. So yeah, that's pretty much all the work I do at home. Nothing much, yeah. And anyway, I'm done washing the dishes, and I know it's been a really long time since I uploaded a library vlog. But anyway, look at this kitten and say hi to my kitten. Hi. And you know what? My sister actually recorded a video in my absence. Look at her. Thali baja rahi hai. Also, I only wash the dishes. I don't actually put them back in their places. My sister does that. So as you can see, and now wait. Let me show you one transition. Yeah. So okay, let's yeah, I know. I mean, that transition was actually pretty smooth, and this is what I'm wearing today to go to the study hall, of course. And yeah, this was the outfit check. And why I'm making this face? Well, just look at the weather outside. I thought, I mean, God, what is this weather? Anyway, I thought let's drink some black coffee. And while I was drinking my coffee, the weather completely changed. Like, completely. Let me show you and how happy I was. Look at this. Look at the weather. It completely changed, bhai. And now I am heading out to the library. And if you're wondering who is recording my videos, it's me. I just put my phone somewhere and record myself. So don't think that somebody else is recording my videos. Anyway, when I came to the library, I found this. It might belong to someone else. Mera nahi hai ye, of course, because the place where I usually sit was already occupied. So I sat somewhere else, and that's when I noticed that. Now I'm just taking out all my notebook, my diary, my earphones, my another phone. By the way, I use two phones. One is my iPhone 11, which I mainly use for recording, and the second one is an Android phone. I usually use that one for editing my vlogs or studying because it's just easier for me. और iPhone में तो storage ही नहीं रहता है. And right now I am writing down my to-do list, and I'm just planning what to do today. So this is what I am planning. I mean, I need to do writing practice, listening practice, and I also write down two collocation and two phrases. And I have opened my hair because I washed it earlier subah hi, but it still hasn't dried properly. So, yeah, that's why. Right now, I am doing my writing practice with the help of ChatGPT. You just need to type the prompt that I am showing on the screen right now. You can simply take a screenshot of it and paste it into ChatGPT. So basically, I am doing my writing practice right now, and this is what ChatGPT gave me to work. As you can see, part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. And after finishing every one part, I use camera option. Wait, let me show you. I use this camera option to take pictures of my answers. So I just take the the picture of my answer and send it to the chat gpt. So look, I am taking the picture right now. And another one. So I click two pictures and see. And then I wrote part 2 here because these were my answers for part 2. And then I sent them to chat gpt by using this option. Okay, so and ChatGPT literally found all of my mistakes and also gave me the corrected version. Okay, so as you can see, I made so many mistakes, and that's alright. After that, I carefully went through all my mistakes and then I rewrote every answer using the corrected version that ChatGPT gave me. क्योंकि मैं दोबारा लिखना प्रेफर करती हूँ. I don't know why. And honestly, I would suggest you to do the same thing. This prompt has helped me so much. So if you want to practice your writing, I would definitely suggest you to try this prompt, especially if you're at an upper beginner level or intermediate level. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just writing down the corrected versions. So there are just four parts in total: part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4, as you all know. And honestly, all the parts were really good. I genuinely feel like these questions made me to think more deeply, because when you're sitting in a study hall, there are no distractions. कोई आपको नहीं बोल रहा है कि ये कर दो वो कर दो. You just sit there and focus on yourself, your thoughts, and what you actually want from your life. And I found that really helpful. This prompt is amazing for each and every person out there who are trying to improve their writing skills. देखो, अगर तुम्हारा राइटिंग अच्छा होगा तो तुम्हारा स्पीकिंग भी ऑलरेडी अच्छा हो जाएगा. And this is what I wrote for part 1. This is my version and this is the rewritten version. Okay, and I know some of you have told me that my handwriting isn't very good. So today I really tried to write everything as clearly as possible. Also, the PDF is already in my description box. So if you wanted, just check the description below. And if my PDFs are helping you even a little bit, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I want to show you one more thing. My sketchbook, my little sketchbook. So this is the first page. I know it's a little bold, but I really like these kinds of drawings. And this is the second drawing. Cute. And here's another one. Just just let me know how you like my sketches. I genuinely love to know what you guys think, because yeah, I really do love hearing your opinions, your comments, everything. And for my listening practice, I watched this video. And don't worry, I've already added the link to the video in the description box. So just check it below. And let me tell you, I would genuinely suggest you to watch this video, because oh my god, it was so good. That video was so good. That speaker was so good. You can literally see my expressions changing. ठीक है, देखो, while I'm watching it, the speech was so good, and after watching it, you honestly won't believe how motivated you will feel. And I know motivation is temporary, but I actually found this video just for my listening practice, and somehow I ended up getting so much motivation from it. Bhai, it was amazing, to be very honest. And I would definitely suggest you to watch this, because please watch that video. It's really good. And while I was watching that video, I was little starving, and I thought to take a little break. So I'm very sorry, but yeah, I took a break because I was literally starving. I really wanted to eat something. So there is a bakery and or a cafe, you can say, just मतलब नीचे ही है वो. Then I ordered this wrap. By the way, roll को ना wrap कहते हैं, WRAP, it's called wrap. So I ate that, and it was only 40 rupees. Yeah, it cost me only 40 rupees, and I'm so clumsy, yaar. Bhai, I'm so clumsy. Anyways, after eating that, I also ate one ice cream, one chocobar ice cream. I don't know. After eating something spicy, hot, and I thought, why not try an ice cream. इससे पहले मैंने अ आइसक्रीम बोला था ना, बट आई वुड, इट वॉज रॉन्ग आई गेस, या आई गेस क्या, ये रॉन्ग ही था. सो इट्स एन आइसक्रीम. I ate an ice cream. That's it. And I came back. When I came back to the library, I had to do one more thing that was left on my to do list, which was writing down two collocation and two phrases. And I actually wrote idioms on my to do list. So, but I ended up writing two phrases instead. And you know what? First, to secure my earphones, I use this shortcut. I mean, this short clip, what to say, I don't know. And if you also want to write down some collocation and idioms, you can use this prompt that I'm showing on the screen right now. So if you are really want to learn some useful collocation and idioms, you can definitely use this prompt. And as you can see, I've already show you that ChatGPT gave me the collocation along with their English meaning, Hindi meaning, three examples for each one, and one context where you can actually use the same collocation. Okay, so I'm just writing down the collocation and phrases. For those who don't know, let me tell you, collocation and phrases or idioms can help you a lot when you're learning English, because you can't always use single words naturally in daily conversation, but collocation and phrases are things that you can actually use in your everyday conversations. So I would definitely suggest you write down some collocation and phrases or idioms, and don't just learn them once and forget them. Try to use them in your daily conversation. And this is how I have written down everything. Now let me tick off my to-do list. So I have already done my writing practice, and I have done listening practice. I've also written two, I don't know, and I have also written down two collocation and two phrases. So yeah, that's all. I am done for today. If you want any particular kind of video from me, just let me know in the comment section, because I know you guys like my library videos. But what else do you want to see from me? Just I just wanted to know. And yeah, I'm done for the today, and I'm just wrapping everything, putting all my things back into my bag and getting ready to leave. And honestly, it was a really good day, especially because of that video. So I would genuinely suggest you to watch that video if you have some free time, of course. And I think I've said this so many times before, but I'm going to say it again. My birthday is on 10th September in next month, and I really wanted to achieve 50K subscribers by my birthday, but somehow I don't think I'll be able to reach it. Still, I just want to say, if you can subscribe to my channel, then please do me a little favor and subscribe. If you like this video or found it helpful, let me know in the comment section, and I would genuinely love to know what you thought about it. भाई मैं genuinely बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रही हूँ. Anyways, now I'm just drinking enough water, because drinking enough water is important. मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा बकवास कर लिया है इस वीडियो में. And I want to know one more thing from you guys, that from which city are you watching this video? By the way, I'm from Bihar, from Patna. From where are you watching this video? So just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I'm done for the day. I'm just heading to the home. See, the same stairs, and here I am. Let me show you my face a little. मैंने अपना लिपस्टिक भी खा लिया है रैप के साथ. So, and my mom actually asked me to bring one black thread, so I bought that and headed home. Almost it's evening right now. Yeah. And look at these cat and kittens. And now let me show you the funniest part of this vlog.
भुट्टा ले लो भुट्टा कैसे भुट्टा बोलो
हम थोड़ी भुट्टा बेच रहे हैं भुट्टा
तो ये
छुड़ा
क्या
रहे
कर रही
हैं
है
भुट्टा छुड़ा रहे हैं
अच्छा
भुट्टा भुज रहे हैं।
इधर इधर भुट्टा भून रही है 10 रुपया का एक पीस भुजा Thank you so much for watching my video and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.